Hello everyone, new video today about a limited edition which I haven't got the time to show you in 2022. So we are back in 2022 today. So this is a special model, of course. So Swiss Army Knife Collectors is a Facebook group. Like Victorinox friend, etc. And we have this special model. It's 4 layers. At the back we have this. It weighs 113 grams. So it's of course an ALOX 93mm for the length. 17mm thickness, and it's a special Pioneer X. So it's a limited edition. I don't have the number, but I think it's something like 300 pieces. Also, if you're wondering, the number is not etched on the knife, so no number. So we have the main blade. So they called this one, as you've probably seen in the video's title, Mountaineer X. So why? It's because it has a file. So main blade, reamer hole, then scissors, nothing special about it, and another. So a tool that we don't find on 93mm knife, the wood file, metal saw, metal file as well, and of course finally the can opener with the little flat screwdriver and the bottle opener cap lifter with a larger flathead screwdriver. We have the keyring, which I think is not really good. Would have been better to remove it, the keyring, but so of course it's just a Pioneer X on which we added the file. So this was really a trend this year. All the Facebook groups, when it was an ALOX, they came with the file. So that's something Victorinox did a lot this year, because of course it's a knife that was made by Victorinox in Switzerland. So I don't think that's a model that I will use, because I'm not really don't really carry the file every day, but it will be for the collection, of course. So black for the color, nothing special about it. As usual, if you have any questions, tell me in the comment section what you think about it. Would that be a good set of tools for you? And don't forget to subscribe if you liked the video. ALOX 2023 I think should be out maybe in the beginning of the year, but we'll see. So anyway, take care, and I'll see you for the next video. Bye bye.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now? I gave